I'm leaving you with a report on what the Gandhi Vadra family's New Year plans are. It's wedding bells. Rehan Vadra, eldest son of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Robert Vadra, is all set to get engaged to longtime girlfriend Aviva Beg. The couple, who've dated for 7 years, will celebrate their intimate engagement in Rajasthan in February 2026. Let's get you all the details. I'm sure you're all wondering who exactly Aviva Beg is. We'll get you those details in this report. Thanks for tuning in.
Wedding bells are about to ring for the Gandhi Vadra family. Elder son of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Robert Vadra, Rehan Vadra is all set to get engaged to his longtime girlfriend Aviva Beg. The 25-year-old reportedly proposed after 7 years of dating in a cozy family gathering. The engagement is planned as an intimate 2 to 3 day affair in Rajasthan, which is scheduled for February 2026. The Gandhi Vadra clan is currently ringing in the new year in Savai Madhopur. Like every year, they are staying at the luxurious Sherbagh Hotel in Ranthambore. But this time, Sonia Gandhi is skipping the trip. Aviva Beg is no stranger to the limelight. A professional interior designer and photographer, she fell in love with photography at just 10 thanks to her mother. Her work has been showcased in national and international exhibitions, and she even finds time to play national-level football. Aviva and Rehan connected over their shared passion for photography and creative arts, and the sparks turned into love. After 7 years of collaboration and shared dreams, Rehan Vadra and Aviva Beg are ready to take the plunge. From a long-term romance to a storybook engagement, this is one celeb couple that's made fans swoon. With Simran Sarova, Bureau Report, India Today.